What's up, everybody? Cody here with the Power Lead System. Wanted to do a video showing you how incredibly simple and fast it is to make a funnel with the Power Lead System. They have everything set up for you for it to be done quickly. They've tested everything for you. They've tested the landing pages. They have tested the sales pages, the videos, and they have picked the highest converting pages for you to use. And it's just simple. Click here, click there, and done. So I'm going to show you how to set up a funnel using Power Lead System. Now, if you haven't already purchased the domain, I would suggest you do that here. If you click the triangle here, it'll play a video explaining to you how to do that. Don't use the sample domains they give you. If you absolutely have to, you can, but you know it's not as professional than having your own domain. You know, something that's going to catch people's attention, right? So let's say you purchased your domain. Okay, you have your domain. Over here you can get different subdomains. Under manage subdomains, you can buy your domain or transfer one here. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to go under websites. You're going to go to My Websites. Computer is crawling here. Actually, you're going to go under Websites. Sorry. Screwed up already. You're going to go under Websites here, and then you're going to click Websites in the drop down. Okay. Number one, choose which domain to set up. So you'll have your original domain, which would be www.whatever, and then obviously you can have different subdomains off of that. For the example, I'll use freetrial.generatepassivewealth.com. Now, where it says I want to attract someone, usually I would choose to become a prospect for whatever I want, unless you're promoting just Lead Lightning. But I don't even suggest promoting just Lead Lightning. So if you're promoting PLS, or if you're promoting your own business, choose become a prospect for whatever I want. Okay. And then down here is where you will have your page choices. Okay. So some of these you won't see. Some of these I have share codes for. But what you would see is here. So you can see they've already decided which pages convert the best, and those are the options that they give you. Personally, I believe with going for a lead capture page, doing something that is name and email and that doesn't have a video on it. Something that is simple, okay? Because the only purpose of your lead capture page is to do just that, is to collect the lead, collect information, work towards building your list. You're not trying to sell them anything yet, okay? You know, if you're doing the traffic methods that PLS teaches, you know, you're pulling people in rather than pushing them. So you know they're already interested. They're already sold on whatever it is you have. Get them in there. Don't overcomplicate it. Go with something simple like this, okay? Simple as that. Click one button, boom, there you go. You don't have to write anything. You don't have to change anything. They make it super simple. Like I said, I would suggest doing name and email. You can try email only. Depends on how you want your emails that you send out to appear. Okay? I don't suggest taking their phone. You want to keep your conversion rate pretty high, and asking for a phone number is going to definitely, you know, cause you to not have as much success with that. So you click Save My Choice. Computer is crawling. Okay, now, so that was your lead capture page. Now we're going to your sales page, okay? Bunch of different options here. Again, you know, depends what you want. Depends what you're selling. If you are selling PLS, you know, you could go with something like this. This is a really good one. high converting. Here's where I would have a video. I would have a couple videos if possible. You know, give out as much information as possible. And this is a really good sales page. You know, it describes everything very well.
Hey there and welcome to this Power Lead System breakdown. I want to have a little chat with you about how we've designed Power.
Okay, so you can see you got a video there, half-hour long video, explains everything. Another video there. Here it explains all of the way the commission is structured with the pay lines, the roll-ups. I mean, this describes everything. This is a very, very good sales page. Okay, you want all their questions to be answered here. Okay, and of course it ends with them being offered the free trial. All right, so you want to do that one. You click use that one. Save my choice. Then it's going to ask you if you want to add the opt-in to the contact manager. Absolutely. Okay, this is where you're going to build your list, is your contact manager. And you want to send them the autoresponder. Okay, in the box here you can choose from a variety of different autoresponder emails with different sequences. There's ones for holidays and everything. On a regular basis, I will choose the Power Lead System Opportunity Campaign. Okay, they're going to get a message every other day for a month. If you have an AWeber, you know, you've already built a list on GetResponse or whatever, you can add them to that too. If not, do the autoresponder and build your list on the Contact Manager. Click Submit. And that is it. That is how you create a funnel on Power Lead System. Now, what did I click? 4 times? A couple times to, you know, look at things, to sample things. Super simple. Incredibly basic to create a effective funnel on Power Lead System. Under Contacts here is where you access your Contact Manager. I'm not going to show it to you because there's people, you know, it'll bring up people's emails. But, you know, under Contacts here is where you will be building your list. Like I said, over here is where you can create subdomains. That's really it. You know, you don't have to set anything up. So now every time somebody opts in, every time somebody fills out that lead capture form, they are going to immediately be put into your autoresponder. So it's super hands-off, but super effective. The pages are very high converting. Nobody has ever complained about a capture page and a sales page from Power Lead System. So I hope you like this video. I hope you realize how simple it is. If you like this video and videos similar to it, check out some of my other ones and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing videos on Power Lead System, motivation, entrepreneurship, lifestyle, all that good stuff, all the time, all week long. And I will see you in the next video.